Dare to learn free English lessons. Please subscribe. We will create more free English lessons for you. Dare to learn. Past simple. Enjoy this quick lesson for learning past simple time tense. Here we go. Time tense, past simple, including listening practice. 1. In this quick lesson, learn how to use past simple correctly. 2. Practice your listening skills. Listen to the teacher speaking. 3. Study the example sentences and practice writing your own. Past simple is one completed action in the past, a regular repeated complete action in the past, or an action that lasted longer in the past and was completed. One completed action in the past. Listen to the teacher and study the example sentences. You can pause the video. Focus on the verbs in the sentence. Use a dictionary. The past simple tense is used for actions which are completed at a point and time in the past. The point can be either implied or expressed using a time expression or a clause. 1. I bought a house last year. Or you can say, I bought a house in January last year. 2. He was born on the 5th of May in 1990. Or you can say, he was born 33 years ago. 3. Two completed actions close together in the past. Yesterday I arrived home at 6 p.m. and watched TV for 1 hour. 4. When you are asked a question, when did you pass your driving test? You can say, I passed it last year, or last month, or last week, or yesterday. Here are examples of time expressions that refer to a definite time in the past. You can listen and then pause the video to study. 1. A year ago. 2 months ago. A few weeks ago. 3 days ago. 10 hours ago. 10 minutes ago. 2. At 5 o'clock yesterday. 3. Earlier today, earlier this week, earlier this month. 4. Last week, last month, last year. Practice writing your own sentences about a complete action at a definite time in the past. Simple past and expressions of time. Simple past is often used with time expressions. Here are some examples. Listen and repeat. Pause and study the use of verbs in the sentences. 1. I met the manager yesterday. 2. I saw my brother 2 weeks ago. 3. My sister came to visit me last year. 4. The last time I went to a movie show was in 2023. 5. I played badminton from April to November last year. 6. I have known her for a long time. 7. I worked there for 10 weeks. 8. In the 1990s I visited many countries. 8 again. She was the best actress of the last century. 9. In the past I'd studied German for a year. Practice. Create your own sentences. Simple past examples. Affirmative sentences. Listen to the teacher. Then pause the video and study the sentence. Focus on the types of verbs being used for past simple. Practice. Create your own sentences. These are some examples of affirmative sentences in the simple past. Base form. Go, play, run, say, make, fix. In the past simple, went, played, ran, said, made, fixed. Examples. I went to the shopping mall yesterday. You played your guitar last night. She ran 12 kilometers yesterday. He said she was late for work last Monday. They made a big cake for us last weekend. We fixed his bike 2 days ago. Simple past examples. Negative sentences. To make the negative form, we will add the negative form didn't between the pronoun or subject and the verb. Simple past affirmative. I went to the shopping mall. She wanted to dance. He played badminton. It worked out well. We watched a funny video. You cooked a meal for me. They phoned me yesterday. Simple past negative. I didn't go to the shopping mall. She didn't want to dance. He didn't play badminton. It didn't work out well. We didn't watch a funny video. You didn't cook a meal for me. They didn't phone me yesterday. Practice. Ask and answer questions. Try these simple past conversation questions. These are some common questions you can make when talking about the past. 1. Where did you go last weekend? I went to the beach last weekend to relax. 2. What did you do yesterday morning? I stayed in bed until 11 a.m. yesterday morning. 3. How did you spend your vacation last year? I went to China for my vacation. 4. Did you play badminton last night? No, I didn't play badminton last night. 5. What was your first job? My first job was as a teacher. 6. When did you move to London in the UK? I moved to London in 2020. Please subscribe. We will create more free English lessons for you. Dare to learn. Dare to learn free English lessons.